Welcome to Fanpage Karma. In this video I will show you how to use the KPI table of your dashboard. On the left side you have all the profiles of your dashboard, and if you still need to add a profile you can click the button below, or if you want to delete one profile out of your dashboard, just click on the little bin. If there's a yellow star on a profile, that indicates that you're the admin of the profile. Now you can choose to hide certain profiles so they don't show in your analysis by clicking on the eye on either a single profile or all the profiles of a network, and then update, and they won't show in your table anymore. At the top right corner you can choose the time frame for your analysis by clicking on the calendar. Now on the left side you have your profiles, and the top row shows the KPIs you've chosen. You can click on a KPI to sort the table, and you can see that those values that are the highest are emphasized. So you can, for example, see that the Instagram profile of Starbucks has grown the most, or that the Facebook page of Starbucks made the most posts. The reason why some values are blurred out is because those metrics are insights metrics, some of reach of single posts and some of total impressions of single posts. They can only be analyzed if you have the insights rights. So as you can see, Karma Cafe is a page where I have the insights, and for this profile we have the values. As this is a test page, the values are pretty small. Also, sometimes it happens that there are fields with absolutely no value. This can either happen when this specific KPI is not available for the network, but in this case that's not the case, because normally Fanpage Karma can show the growth KPIs for Facebook. But as I only today created this page, this test page, there are not enough historical data available yet. So Fanpage Karma knows that there was one fan today, but as I only created the page today, there are no values for yesterday, so Fanpage Karma can't calculate the growth. To change the KPIs of your table, click Select Performance Indicators. First thing you can do here is choose whether or not you want to show the weighing of the values in your table. So if you don't want the biggest numbers to be emphasized, you can click Without Weighing. I think this is super practical because you immediately see the biggest values. Then you see all the KPIs that are in the table already, and you have the little symbols of the networks next to it, showing you for which network the KPI exists. So for example, for post interaction, you have the KPI for Facebook, for Instagram, for Twitter, not for YouTube, and again for Pinterest and LinkedIn. So if you want to add more KPIs to the table, click Add KPIs. And here you can choose all the KPIs. So on the left you have the cross-network KPIs. And you can see, because they are blue, that they are all chosen right now. And if I click on one, it's not in the table anymore. And on the right side you have all the specific KPIs for the specific networks. And they are all grouped. So you can see there are many KPIs. So I might want to know how many shares I got. So I go to Reactions under Facebook and choose Number of Shares. Also, I don't want the blurry values in my table anymore, so I unchoose the Reach KPIs and click OK. Now I might want to change the order of the KPIs. So I just added Number of Shares, I pull it to the top, and click Save. And now it's right at the front. And I can see that, surprise, the Facebook page of Starbucks had the most shares. In the bottom row of the table you can also choose to show averages, medians, or sums of the values. Once you added all the profiles and KPIs that are important to you, or that are important to you and your client, you might want to create a report about it. Let's say, for example, I want to create a report for my client for the month of November. So I go to the time frame and choose November. Then I go to Export. And here I can choose if I want to create a CSV report, Excel report, or PowerPoint report that I then can send or present to my client. Or I can check this little box to order a monthly report. That means that on every 3rd of the month, you get the report of the month before automatically via email. So you don't have to worry about anything or remember that you have to export it. You just get the email and then you can forward it to your client. This is how the metrics table works. Have fun analyzing.